Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a GMC Sierra. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a factory trailer hitch on the back. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control and your 4-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.